with academic and special awardees ng General Academic Strand. Ashley Nicole J. Quizon with high honors. She will also receive excellence in mathematics from Gallant Talino Mercury Drug Foundation. Venerable Catherine Macaulay Youth Associate Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, Band and Core Awardee, Work Immersion Awardee, and VCMYA Gathering Certificate.